Going on, boys? Well, I got a new addition or a new build for the big rig. You saw my last video about the mini yacht Morass. So I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be my yeah. What's the word I'm looking for? Oh, Jesus, my brain's just spinning around. My entry. This will be my entry instead of that other one. Well, I talked about that in the other video. So I'm gonna start on this. I'm gonna replace. This will replace that, and this is a real big rig, like what you guys are building. I don't know if I'm gonna do it purple or not. Although I did like that purple that I did the my cancer awareness build. I like that purple. So you never know. We'll see what happens. Big old Pete. Big old Pete. So real quick, this is another real quick one. Just like I said, this will be my entry. I pulled the other one out, and there's a video up on it. So, but all right, boys, real quick. Thanks. Peace out. Have a nice day.